Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some practice questions based on gravitation part 6. In today's lecture we will cover practice questions from 43 to 50. Clear? Disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sati@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question 43. Topic gravitation. So, question 43 is a body of mass 2 kg is moving under the influence of a central force. Clear? Whose potential energy is given by this. This is the given potential energy. U equal to 2r cube joule. Clear? This is the given potential energy. If the body is moving in a circular orbit of 5 meter, clear? Its energy will be what? So in this question ask about the energy. Clear? Given options. Option A is 250 joule. Option B 125 joule. Option C 625 joule. Option D 650 joule. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, a body of mass 2 kg is moving under the influence of central force whose potential energy is this U equal to 2r cube joule. Clear? And body is moving in a circular orbit of 5 meter and question asked about the energy will be what? Clear? So the given U equal to 2r cube, which is energy. Clear? This is energy. U equal to 2r cube. And we know that F equal to minus du upon dr. Clear? This is the formula. Clear? So putting the value of u in this formula and derivative, you will be get minus 6r square. Clear? 3 power comes and multiply with 2 and remaining is 2r square. Clear? So F equal to minus 6r square. Now mv square by r is equal to mod of F. Clear? This is the again second formula, mv square by r is equal to F. So here we calculate F equal to minus 6r square and mod of F is equal to 6r square. So mv square by r is equal to 6r square. Clear? And solving this term you will be get mv square, this mv square and r is multiply with this r square. So it becomes 6r cube. Clear? So mv square is equal to 6r cube. Half mv square is equal to half m and v is mv square is 6r cube. So putting here v square value. Clear? So half 6r cube and solving this expression you will be get 3r cube. Clear? And we know total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Clear? So this is the total energy, kinetic plus potential. Clear? So here kinetic energy is 3r cube and potential energy is 2r cube. Clear? The potential energy is given in this question and we calculate by using the concept of force. The kinetic energy is 3r cube. So adding both kinetic and potential you will be get 5r cube and given r equal to 5 meter. Clear? R equal to 5 meter. So total energy is putting the r value in this expression you will be get total energy is 625 joule. Clear? So 625 joule is the correct answer. Clear? So C is the correct. 625. This one is correct. C option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 44. A mass M is placed at P. Clear? This is the place, point P, where a mass M is placed. At a distance H, the distance between O to P is H. Along the normal through the center O. This is the center of a thin circular ring of mass M. Clear? The mass of this circular ring is M, and R is the radius. R is the radius of the circular ring as shown in figure. If the mass is moved further away such that OP becomes 2H. OP becomes 2H. When the mass is moved further away, so OP becomes 2H. By butt factor, the force of gravitation will decreases. Clear? If H equal to R. Clear? If H equal to R. So given options, option A 3 by 4 root 2 divided by root 3. Option B 5 root 2 divided by root 3. Option C 4 root 3 divided by 5. And option D 4 root 2 divided by 5 root 5. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. Solution is gravitational force acting on an object of mass m placed at a point P at a distance h along the normal through the center of a circular ring of mass m and radius r is given by this. Clear? This is the force gm m h divided by r square plus h square whole power 3 by 2. Clear? This one. And when mass is displaced up to 2h, then f prime is equal to gmm multiplied by 2h r square plus 2h whole square 3 by 2 whole power. Clear? This expression comes when the mass is displaced up to 2h. Clear? This expression is comes when here putting h is 2h. Clear? So this is the new expression after the mass is displaced. So solving this equation, you will be get f prime is equal to 2g h divided by r square plus 4h square whole power 3 by 2. Clear? And according to question, when h equal to r, in that case f equal to gmm multiplied by r divided by r square multiply r square whole power 3 by 2, and solving this term you will be get gmm divided by 2 root 2 r square. Clear? And f prime is this. Clear? 2gmm divided by 5 root 5 r square after solving this term. Clear? So ratio is 4 root 2 divided by 5 root 5. Clear? So correct answer is this is f, not f prime. This is f. Clear? So correct f prime is equal to 4 root 2 multiplied by f divided by 5 root 5. Clear? So this is the correct answer. Clear? This is the correct answer. So this one is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 45. So question is, an artificial satellite of the earth is launched in circular orbit in equatorial plane of the earth, and satellite is moving from west to east. Clear? With respect to a person on the equator. Clear? The satellite is completing one round trip in 24 hours, and mass of the earth is m equal to this 6 into 10 having power 24 kg. For this situation, orbital radius of this satellite is what? Clear? Here question asked about the orbital radius of the satellite. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A is 2.66 into 10 raised the power 4 kilometer. Option B 6400 kilometer. Option C 36,000 kilometer. Option D 29,600 kilometers. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So here time period of satellite with respect to observer on equator is 24 hours, and the satellite is moving from west to east. Clear? Satellite is moving from west to east. So angular velocity of satellite with respect to Earth's axis of rotation considered as a fixed is this. Clear? This one. This is the angular velocity. Omega is equal to 2 pi divided by ts plus 2 pi divided by ta. Clear? Where this one tg and ts and tg are the time periods of satellite and the earth respectively. Clear? This is ts. So omega equal to pi by 6 radian per hour after solving this term. So omega equal to 1.45 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 radian per second. Clear? From y equal to under root g divided by m. So r omega is equal to under root g by m, which is r3 having power 3 by 2, which is equal to under root gm divided by omega. And solving this term, you will be get this. Clear? So r is equal to this. Clear? R equal to 2.66 into 10 raised to the power 4 kilometer. So this one is answer. Clear? A option is correct. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 46. From a solid sphere of mass m and radius r. Suppose this is a solid sphere, mass m and radius r. Clear? Mass m and radius r. A spherical portion of radius r by 2. This is a spherical portion having radius r by 2 is removed. Clear? In the figure. Taking gravitational potential v equal to 0 at L equal to infinity. The potential at the center of the cavity thus formed is what? Clear? I equal to gravitational constant. So which option is correct? Clear? Option A minus gm divided by 2r. Option B minus gm divided by r. Option C minus 2gm divided by 3r. And option D minus 2gm divided by r. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So consider cavity as negative mass and apply superposition of gravitational potential. Clear? Suppose this is cavity. Clear? Consider the cavity formed in a solid sphere as shown in figure. This one. Clear? This is the V is equal to 0 when x approaches infinity. L approaches infinity. Clear? So, according to the equation, potential at the internal point P, this one, this is internal point P, due to complete sphere V3 equal to this one minus Gm divided by 2r³ multiplied by 3r square minus ry2 whole square. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get minus Gm divided by 2r³ 3r square minus r square by 4 is equal to minus Gm divided by 2r³ multiplied by 11r square divided by 4. So final is minus 11 Gm divided by 8r. Clear? And mass of removed part, suppose this is the removed part, and mass of that removed part is equal to m divided by 4 by 3 multiplied by pi r cube multiply 4 by 3 pi r by 2 whole cube, which is equal to m by 8. Clear? So potential at point P due to removed point is V2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 multiplied by Gm by 8 divided by r by 2, which is equal to minus Gm divided by 8r. Clear? So thus potential due to remaining part at point P is this Vp equal to minus V3 minus V2. Clear? So this is the potential due to remaining part at point P. Clear? This is the potential. So solving this term, you will be get minus Gm divided by R. Clear? Minus Gm divided by R. So correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Clear? Next one is correct. Next question. Question 47. A satellite is removing in a circular orbit at a height h from the Earth's surface, where r, where radius of Earth r h is less than r. The minimum increase in its orbital velocity required so that the satellite could escape from the Earth's gravitational field is close to what? Clear? And neglect the effect of atmosphere. So which option is correct? Option A is under root 2 gr, option B is under root gr, option C under root gr by 2, and option D under root gr multiplied by root 2 minus 1. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So given our satellite is removing in a circular orbit at height h from the Earth's surface, having radius r, where h is less than r. Clear? And orbital velocity of satellite is v equal to under root gm divided by r plus h, which is equal to under root gm divided by r. So velocity required to escape half mv prime square is equal to gmm divided by r plus h. And solving this term, you will be get under root 2 gm divided by r. So h is less than r means minimum increase in its orbital velocity required to escape from the Earth's gravitational field is this v prime minus v is equal to under root 2 gm divided by r minus under root gm divided by. So solving this term, you will be get under root gr multiplied by root 2 minus 1. Clear? Where g is this acceleration due to gravity. So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 48. Four particles, each of mass m and equidistance from each other, moving along a circle of radii r under the action of their mutual gravitational attraction. The speed of particle is what? Clear? So here question asks about the speed of particles. Given options: option A, option B, option C, and option D. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, net force acting on a particle M is represented as in this figure. Suppose mutual gravitational attraction, R is the radius, and M, each of mass M, equidistance from each other. This like this. This is M, equidistance to each other. Clear? As shown in this figure. So net force acting on particle M is equal to gm square divided by 2r whole square plus gm square divided by 2 under root 2 whole square cos 45 degree after solving from this diagram. Clear? So which is equal to gm square divided by r square 1 by 4 plus 1 by root 2. This force will equal to centripetal force. So mv square by r is equal to gm square by r square 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon root 2. Clear? This force is equal to centripetal force. And solving this equation, this one, we get v equal to under root gm divided by 4r 1 plus 2 root 2. Clear? So after solving, it becomes half under root gm by r to 2 root 2 plus 1. Hence, speed of each particle in circular motion is this half under root gm by r 2 root 2 plus 1. Clear? So D option is correct. Clear? This one is correct. Next question, question 49. This is assertion or reason type question. Directions. Each of these questions contains two statements, statement first and statement second. Each of these statements or questions also has four alternative choices. Only one of which is the correct answer. You have to select one of the codes A, B, C, D given below. Clear? So statement first, three orbits are marked as 1, 2 and 3. These three orbits have a semi-major axis. Although their shapes, eccentricities are different. The three identical satellites are orbiting in these three orbits respectively. Clear? These three satellites have the same binding energy. Clear? And statement second, the total energy of satellite depends on semi-major axis of orbit according to the expression. Clear? So this is the expression. Which option is correct? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to statement first, three orbits marked as a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These three orbits have semi-major axis, and although their shapes, eccentricities are different, three identical satellites are orbiting in these three orbits. Clear? Respectively, these three satellites have the same binding energy. And statement 2, total energy of a satellite depends on semi-major axis of orbit according to the expression. This one. So solution is total energy of Earth planet satellite system is independent of eccentricities of orbit, and it depends on semi-major axis and masses of the planet and satellite. Clear? That's why A option is correct. A option is correct. Clear? Next question, question 50. Statement first is two satellites are following one another in each same circular orbit. If one satellite tries to catch another leading one satellite, then it can be done by increasing its speed without changing the orbit. Statement 2. The energy of the Earth satellite system in a circular orbit is this. Clear? Where r is the radius of the circular orbit. So which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find the solution. So here statement first is wrong because as the speed of one satellite increases, its kinetic energy and hence energy increases. Clear? That is total energy becomes less negative and hence R increases. That's why orbit changes. Clear? That's why D option is correct. D option is correct. Clear? Next is summary. The major formulas is potential energy, force F equal to minus du upon dr, centripetal force, total energy, gravitational force F equal to gmm divided by r square, comparison of forces, angular velocities 2 pi by t, orbit radius relation is this, potential due to sphere v equal to this one. Clear? Orbital velocity, escape velocity difference, centripetal force balance, and total energy expressions. Clear? So using these formulas, we learned some questions or solved that. Clear? Thank you.